How to see your removed friends list on Snapchat. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your removed friends list on Snapchat, whether you removed them by mistake or just want to check who's missing from your list. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Now, let's get started. First, open Snapchat on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Now, swipe down on the camera screen or tap on your Bitmoji profile icon in the top left corner. Next, scroll down and tap on My Friends. This will show your current friends list. If someone is missing, it means they may have been removed. Now, swipe down on the camera screen or tap on your Bitmoji profile icon in the top left corner. Next, scroll down and tap on My Friends. This will show your current friends list. If someone is missing, it means they may have been removed. To check if someone has been removed, 1. Tap on the search bar at the top. 2. Type in their Snapchat username or display name. 3. If their profile shows an add button instead of chat, it means they're no longer on your friends list. Another way to check is through your chat history. 1. Tap on the chat icon at the bottom. 2. Scroll through your conversations. 3. If a friend's Bitmoji or profile icon has disappeared or their name just says Snapchat user, it means they have either been removed or deactivated their account. For a more detailed list, you can download your Snapchat data. 1. Tap on your Bitmoji profile icon. 2. Tap on the gear icon settings. 3. Scroll down and select My Data. 4. Log in to your Snapchat account if prompted. 5. Scroll down and tap Submit Request. 6. After some time, you'll receive an email with a file that includes your friends' list history, including removed friends. And that's it. Now you know how to check your removed friends list on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.